Hundreds of speed PLA coat the paper cups with paper cup machine with packing. Here's the packing machine. Here's automatic packing. And here's the cup machine. 100 speed. 100 speed. Quite curly. PLA coats the paper. So we test 100 speed. It has 100 speed, not 120. This machine can run 120 speed, but right now we only test 100 speed. 好吧 ，OK. Because the paper not enough, so right now we will test the media, and tomorrow we will make the test. Here's the packing. Here's the packing. Film packing. And if you want to finish all the cups, because there are some cups not packed. If you want to finish all the cups, you should can cover here, and he will finish all the cups. 等一下，帮我把那杯子拿一下。最后完了，那是不要了。最后那个杯子。不用放了。Here's for the sealing. Here's for sealing. 好了，不用放了。OK. If you want to finish all the cups, you can cover. Of course, you can cover here, and until it finishes. Until it finished, and then you stop it. You take the cups out. Here's a sensor. Okay, finish all the cups. And here is for start and stop. If you want to stop, and the jog. Here's a jog and urgent stop. And stop here. Because here, if you do not stop, he will continue working. If there are cups coming. And here for data lock. Data lock will stop, and see it's not running. Okay.